Hi friends, let's learn animals. Here we have a cricket. Crickets are extremely lightweight, and crickets are a symbol of good luck. Zebra. Zebras are classified as endangered. They can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. Wow, that's really fast. Next we have a flamingo. Flamingo nests are made of mud. Flamingos get their pink color from their food. Here we have a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. They can run as fast as 35 miles over an hour with short distances, or cruise at 10 miles per hour over long distances. Panda. Pandas have excellent camouflage for their habitat. They love eating bamboo too. Here we have a squirrel. Squirrels and their front teeth never stop growing. The biggest squirrels are 7 times larger than the smallest. Next we have a horse. Horses can't breathe through their mouth. Horses can sleep standing up. Horse. Next we have a rhinoceros. There are 5 species of rhino in the world. Rhinos can weigh over 3 tons. Wow! Next we have a lizard, a little tiny lizard. Not all lizards have legs, though they could be twins. Lizards aren't mini dinosaurs, but they might look like it. Ooh, we have a red scorpion. Wow, scorpions were around long before the first dinosaurs. They are not insects. Next we have a purple frog. Frogs have ears. Frogs drink through their skin. Wow, how cool! Next we have a crocodile. Crocodiles have incredibly powerful jaws. They can regenerate their teeth just like sharks. Wow, they can grow back their teeth. Next we have a gorilla. Did you know only around 1,063 gorillas exist in the world? They live in 2 isolated groups. Next we have a snake. Ooh, what a cool snake. Some give live birth while others lay eggs. Snakes smell with their tongues. Here we have an elephant. Elephants have around 150,000 muscles in their trunk. Elephants may feed up for 16 hours a day. Here we have a moose. Moose are powerful swimmers. They can live up to 20 years. We have a spider here. There are thousands of spider species. Spider silk is very, very strong. Next we have a cheetah. The cheetah is the oldest cat on Earth. Their tail acts like a rudder. That's it, friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.